Many people want to restore their smile. Here are some of the best way to restore your smile. The most common one is dental fillings, white fillings. With dental fillings, we get rid of your cavities and replace them with the white, two-colored dental fillings. That's one of the most common way to restore form and functions, bring your teeth back to the normal, healthy smile. The second way typically is replace the missing teeth. With implants, that's the best option to replace missing teeth. It'll mimic your natural teeth and is permanent solution to replace missing teeth. The other option is crowns or bridges, which is aesthetically pleasing. Replace those single or multiple missing teeth with crowns or bridges. Another way is braces and teeth whitening. If you have malposition, crooked teeth, braces is the most conservative way without grinding down teeth to put veneers or crowns on. And after braces, with teeth whitening, that will get you that healthy, beautiful smile, white that you've been looking for. You should come to iSmile Dental. We don't just care about your teeth, we care about you. We care about our patient experience. We care about the results that we provide to our patients.